we should define a function f is such that real line to real line, which is the whole real line. Okay, the domain of f is in between minus infinity to plus infinity, and codomain of f is in between minus infinity to plus infinity, because of this is a real line and this is the real line. Okay, the function is defined from real line to real line, right? Now what is the function? The function is signum of x, which is equals to mod of x upon x, right? Now from domain we have to say x is greater than to 0. F we take x is greater than to 0, then for all positive real numbers, right? For all positive real number it is x mod of x goes to x and x upon x, which is equals to 1. So signum function gives you 1 for all the positive x. When x is greater than to 0, if x is greater than to 0, then the function value is 1. So this is always a straight line, right? This is 1 and this is minus 1 and this is 0. How to say that it is x equals to 0? Then it is 0, right? X equals to 0, then it is 0. When x is less than to 0, for all the negative values of x, what is the negative values of x? If you take mod of x equals to minus of x, right? If you take minus of x, then x is in x and mod of x becomes minus of x. For x is less than to 0, then it is minus of 1. The signum functions gives you minus of 1, right? So the range of f is equals to 1 comma 0 comma minus 1, right? You have defined minus 1 1 0. So by the graph you say that this is a discontinuous function, right? Yeah, of course. How do you know that? Now let us know the function is continuous at x equals to 0 or not, right? So let me define firstly 0 plus h upon 0 plus h, right? For this, firstly we have to go in positive. So 0 plus h, mod of 0 plus h is equals to mod of h upon h. H time cancel out, then it is gives you 1. For 0 minus h, when you goes on left side of this negative side, then 0 minus h upon 0 minus h, which is equals to h upon minus of h, then it is minus of 1. The limit of the function, it is goes to 1 and minus 1 and 0, it is 0. So the function is goes to discontinuous at x equals to 0. So it is not continuous. If it is not continuous, then it is not differentiable too. So